So it is day 2 of training here. So normally what I do on day 1 is I run the route, have my trainee watch everything I do, and then I have them hold the phone and run the phone system, because the phone system can be kind of one of the harder things to learn. So day 2, normally what I do is I start letting the trainee deliver some of the easier products, and I'll do the more complicated ones so they can see how they're done. Well, this guy Rob here, he's already done this job a few years back. He already knows how to run the machine. Basically all I'm doing is teaching him the phone system. So day 2 for him is basically running the whole route by himself with the Moffett. So all I gotta do is make sure he knocks the dust off properly. And so far so good. We're doing a tile delivery. Now this customer is getting, I think, 4 more deliveries of tile. So he asked us to start lining up along the right side of the driveway. And as you can see, we already got 7 set here. So we're gonna have plenty of room for them to get their work trucks and everything they need to do to finish up this remodel of this house. And we'll be lining this tile all the way up along here. And we're double stacking them because we do have a lot coming, and they're obviously going to be having more deliveries coming. So we're going to keep our stuff as much out of the way as possible. But Rob's doing a great job. Hey Rob, your forks are out about 1 foot, so when you go to set that one in, make sure you're not poking the other tile. So we're double stacking. Now in this one, we just got to be careful we don't poke the tile with the forks when you're putting it against the other tile. So you can see he pulled the forks back in. Now we're good. You always got to be aware of where your forks are at. And if you have to get off your forklift and look, then do it. But this is the last pallet of 8. Little more. Perfect. All right. That's the first delivery done. Day 2 of training. Beautiful, nice stack of tile. That's what I like to see. And that's gonna make my job of training 10 times easier. This guy knows what he's doing. So I just gotta make sure the guys are safe. We don't want them killing themselves on the Moffett, you know. I don't wanna have to get my shovel out here and dig a hole out in this desert and hide my trainee. I don't want to have to deal with the insurance of somebody killing themselves. Just kidding, but yeah, gotta make sure the guys are safe, and the product is going to be safely delivered also. So great job, first delivery done of the day, and on to the next. And Rob here should be ready to go in a couple days on his own. But that's it for this video, and like and subscribe if you're new. Leave any comments if you want, good or bad, I don't care. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.